How's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw Knuckles in a kind of an action pose. I've drawn Knuckles a couple times, but a lot of people keep requesting different poses for some of these characters. This is one of them. Don't forget, check out the Sonic playlist. I'm going to put the link in the description. You can see every drawing I've done from the Sonic universe there, all these drawing lessons. There's so much. But yeah, anyways, that's pretty much it. If you love this subject matter, hit that like, okay? Hit that like if you like drawing Knuckles or anything like that. We're going to hop right in, okay? Let's do it. Hey, how's it going? Let's get started, alright? With Knuckles here, kind of in that cool pose. So, first thing I'm doing is I'm going to go over here and then I'm going to pull the eye up, curve, right there. Gonna go here to the top of the mouth, and I'm gonna pull like a line across. Up over here. Going up for the end of the nose, then I'm gonna curve down along this way, okay? I'm not gonna pull it all the way down though. Gonna go over here and then pull line up for kind of the, you know, showing that brow change. And I'm gonna go over here on this side and draw the eye. Right there, looks like a zero shape or something. Kind of long eye. Pull a line here and fill it out the bottom here. Line over here up. The brow, line across here, and over here as well, down. I'm gonna go here to the end of the nose. Before I do that, don't forget to hit the like if you like Knuckles or Sonic or anything like that. It's gonna let me know what to post more on the channel, so definitely hit that like for this. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna curve for the end of the nose, and I'm going to fill in most of it, maybe leave a little highlight right there. Okie doke. Going to go over here for Knuckles' dreads, so I'm going to go over here and I'm going to curve right there, but not all the way. I'm going to wait. I'm just going to draw that line, because I'm going to draw his hand right here, okay? So over here on this side, I'm going to draw a line up, because it's going to be his hand, and I'm drawing the spike right now. Spike right there. Curve, spike right here, curve, and then back of the arm over here, back of the hand, curve over here, curve, curve. Right on. So that's his hand kind of getting in the way. Line over here for the thumb, and line over here for kind of the top of the chest area. It's getting in the way over here. You're gonna see his arm right there. And I'm gonna draw his body right here. So it's gonna be a curved line down. Curved line down. I'm gonna draw the rest of his stomach over here on this side. Like so. And then let's draw his far side hand over here. So first thing I do is a thumb, which is just like a marshmallow shape sitting on top of his stomach there. And then I'm going to draw the curve of his fist. Up, down over here. Up, down for that spike. And I'm going to curve around here. Over here on this side, curve up. Over here on this side, curve up. That's going to be the insignia on his chest there. Alright. Let's go over here and draw those dreads, alright? We want them to be like flowing in the wind, so I'm going to pull out over here. And then I'm going to curve over here, in. Curve over here, in. Curve over here, in. And then one more. Curve over here, in. They're kind of flowing, right? That's something I wanted, so that it'll look like it's like flapping around like he's in an action pose. And I'm gonna go over here and draw his knee out there, just straight down in, and then line across over here for the bottom. He's got these skinny legs down over here, and then his leg down that direction. Line, curve down. We're gonna draw his him gritting his teeth down over here, over here. Over here on this side, drawing his sharp teeth right there, kind of in this like action, kind of like, oh no, what's going on kind of mode. Kind of like surprised action pose here. We could draw his tail over here as well. Nothing too wild there, but we're gonna vignette it. So now we're just gonna color it. Like, that's pretty much it. Now we're gonna kind of go in and jump into kind of the colored portion of this. All right, let's jump right in. All right. Oh, before that, don't forget, hit the subscribe, like I was saying. Yeah, hit the subscribe and hit the bell notification. I post 3 times every day, and I'm gonna be posting all kinds of dinosaurs, Sonic, pretty much everything you can imagine. So request on the bottom and I'll make it happen. Let's jump right into the color. It's going to be speed coloring though, so I'm going to jump right in. Before you do that, share the video when you're done with the color section if you do finish it, and I'll talk to you later. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site,
see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.